Hey guys, today let's learn how to make image to image in Leonardo AI. So if you want to use this option called image to image generation on Leonardo AI in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically use this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so if you guys want to go ahead and do this, we actually need to utilize, of course, the PC versions of Leonardo AI for us to finish and accomplish image to image prompts. I'm going to do a quick switch on here. And as you see, all we need to do first to do this is to search for Leonardo.ai and open the software. Now from here, let's wait for this to load. And as you see, I've already logged onto my account. If you haven't done that already on your end, go ahead and do so quickly. What we need to do first is to tap on AI image generation over here. And what we need to do from here is wait for this to load. And in order for us to use the image to image prompt, as you see right here, we actually have this option unavailable for us to use. Now basically, in order for us to have this option available to us, we do need to have an image prompt first available for us to upload. So in the case that you can't really use the image prompt option over onto the PC, one more quick way for us to accomplish this is to actually utilize the mobile version of Leonardo AI. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one more time over onto the mobile version, and all we need to do is the same thing, launch our browsers and go on over to the Leonardo AI website. Now once we're here, in order for us to use the image to image generation, all we need to do from here is to tap on the settings option, scroll down until we see image to image, and the closest thing for us to basically use this feature is to just use image prompt. As you see, it's not available since I might be using the free version of Leonardo AI, which is why it's not allowing me to use the AI image to image generation, but only rather the image prompt. So if you want to go ahead and use this, just go ahead and utilize image prompt and go ahead and enter your image to use as an input. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick photo on my desk, and let's take a photo of this comb. Alright guys, so once this is done, tap on use photo, and you can actually use this photo now as your image prompt. Now from here, just wait for this to finish its uploading, and once you're done, go back from the image prompt option and go ahead and enter a quick prompt. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and enter a quick prompt, and let's say we want to go ahead and let's say that we want to have a eyes on the image. Tap on generate and wait for this to basically load, and it's going to go ahead and use that image to create your own image prompt, which is technically the same with image to image prompt, since of course image prompt is only available and image to image is not available for us to use in the current free version. As you see, it's now using the comb as whatever we've told it to do. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.